Trying wray nephew oxtail, rice and peas and rum cake and custard, with a touch of wray and nephew.
Yes, the rum, not really too bad. I'm on tea.
See why me love my man?
Yeah, that boy, man.
He's the best.
Yeah, that boy, man.
Shrimp, steak, veg. Oh my god. Babes, I kind of smooth this again.
That's ice cream with cashew and fruits and nuts with supper jam, and it's okay.
People, today we are trying the Vibes Cartel rum, the straight vibes, 63%. You know we don't joke around. Let me get this open. Hear that? Crack. Get the white, the red, overproof the tonic wine. There we go. Yes, You know we don't mess about. 63% Vibes Cartel. Let's give it a smell. Ooh, that smells different. It smells kind of fruity. That's smelling like a nice white rum. So yeah, this is the Vibes Cartel rum. He's brought it out. We're going to pour one. Let's try it. 63%. This is the overproof. Vibes Cartel. Let's see what you're going to do to me. Actually, I was going on a non-biased head here. That's actually pretty nice. That's smooth. For 63%. What? Vibes Cartel. Bring the white, the ready overproof, the tonic one. He's brought the overproof. Come on. Look at this bottle. I really like this. I'm in the bush right now in the Caribbean. So I'm trying this the real way. Feeling that burning though. Yes, Woo. Wow. Vibes Cartel. Your trouble. Your trouble. What are you doing to me? What are you doing to me? But now, on a serious note, though, this is tasting nice. Oh, gosh. I think I need to get the other ones. See that? I'm sweating. Jesus Christ. Vibes Cartel. Yes, I'm so glad I got my hands on this.